time for another contest review. Today, I'm going to look at a contest from Northern Tools and Equipment, and I'm going to tell you what I like about this contest. First thing, this is the top of the page for the contest. It's enter to win Northern Tool plus Equipment Clutch Helmet Design Sweepstakes. So, right away at the top of the page, they're telling you in the headline that you can enter to win and what you can win. They've also, on the right hand side of the page, got a video that tells you more about the prize you can win. So, if I press play on the video, we showcase the prize. So, this is your hero image for a contest going in the prize. I love the use of multimedia. I also love the use that they picked a thumbnail that describes the prize so you don't have to click play on the video. And I also love that you don't have to watch the video. You can just see it there, and you can also read because they described it in text as well. It tells you this is exclusive, so I like that. There's a legendary painter involved. And so the next part of the contest, they're asking for you to enter and vote. They have three different helmet choices: old school, patriot, or timeless. Which helmet would you like to wear? And they ask for you to pick your favorite design, the old school, patriot, or the timeless. And you enter your information: first name, last name, email, city, and state, that you're over 18. You'd like to receive additional news, so you're opting into their newsletter and they're getting more newsletter subscribers. Once you've entered the campaign, they'll also give you the option to earn more entries by referring friends. So this is what makes the contest more viral with their audience and probably gets them a lot more leads. And judging by other contests that are run like this at Kickoff Labs, I'm going to guess they got at least 50% more leads than if they didn't have this step after somebody entered to vote for the contest. And then they dedicate the rest of the page to the official rules and behind the sweepstakes. You can see this way really quickly. I won't read all the rules. I think it's a really cool contest. I love the voting feature. I love the use of the video on the page. I love that it's just they can learn more about their audience in terms of the designs that they like, and they're giving somebody something exclusive, which should have a lot of perceived value to people wanting to enter the contest and improve their conversion rate for this campaign. So I wanted to point, they put up and left on the page a winner page, and the winner is fans voted their favorite design, and the Patriot helmet was the winner. They posted a video about the winning design, and they also congratulated the winners here publicly to the 5 people who won the sweepstakes, and they'll get the Patriot helmet. And they also give people an option to pre-order. So when you run a contest like this, it's important to have follow-up after the contest and say, what do you want this audience to do? What can they do now? And in this case, they're saying now you can go ahead and pre-order the helmet if you didn't win. So there's something in it for everyone. I love this campaign. It's well branded, it's simple. They used video well, and they are thanking the winners and engaging them afterwards. That's all for this contest review. See you back next time.